Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Java programming. If you are new to Java or just curious about its features, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll give you a comprehensive introduction to Java and explore why it's such a popular programming language, and guide you through the process of installing Java on Windows. Let's get into the video. Introduction to Java. Java, developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle Corporation, was first released in 1995. Since then, it has gained immense popularity and is used extensively in various domains, from desktop applications to mobile development and even large-scale enterprise systems. Most people wonder, why should you learn Java? Well, Java is known for its platform independence, which means that once you write Java code, it can run on different operating systems without any modifications. This is possible because Java uses a concept called the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The JVM acts as an interpreter, executing the Java code on any system that has a JVM installed. Okay, we will create a complete video on it. Java's most powerful language with its extensive library of pre-built functions and classes, known as the Java Standard Library. This library provides developers with a wide range of tools to build robust and feature-rich applications. Additionally, Java has a strong focus on security, making it a trusted choice for applications that handle sensitive data. There are many features that Java have in that. One of the key features of Java is its object-oriented programming, OOP, paradigm. With OOP, you can organize your code into reusable and modular components called objects. This approach promotes code reusability, maintainability, and scalability, which are crucial aspects of software development. Java's syntax is often praised for its readability and simplicity. It adopts a C-style syntax, making it easy to understand for programmers who are familiar with languages like C++ or C#. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Java's syntax is beginner-friendly, making it a great language to start your coding journey. And also, we provide in detail videos that anyone can understand easily. Next, installation of Java. For installing the Java, you need to open any browser and search JDK download in the search bar. Then you can see the official Java website at oracle.com. Then go to the official website. You can also check the link in the description below. Then you can see the Java download, here. Then you scroll down, you see Java 20. After that you can see different OS. Select depending on what OS you are using, switch to that tabs, and I am going switch to Windows and click on the x64 MSI installer. After clicking, it automatically downloads to your desktop. After the download is complete, locate the installation file and double-click on it to begin the installation. You'll see the pop-up with the Java Setup Wizard. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and click Next. Wait until the installation is complete. And you can see here successfully installed. Next, we have to set the environment path for that search here environment. Here you see this, click on that. In this System Properties, go with Environment Variables. Then select this path over here and click on Edit. Open File in the desktop, then navigate to Program Files folder, and follow the path displayed on the screen. And copy the path that you opened. Come back and click on New over here, paste the path. After that, click New button and enter variable name as Java_home. In below field, paste the path you copied, and remove the bin folder. To check whether Java is installed successful or not. For that, open command prompt, and type Java version and hit enter. You can see the version we installed. And that's it. You now have Java installed and ready to go. In the upcoming videos in this playlist, we'll explore the Java syntax, object-oriented programming concepts, and create some exciting projects together. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Also, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.